You dey your body, yo, and you dey my body, yo. You dey give me distraction, and you causing commotion. You dey your body, yo, and you dey my body, yo. You dey do me vibration, and you causing. See, I just wanna let you know, girl, you make me lose my sense. See, I just wanna let you know, girl, you make me lose my sense.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with this unit, guys, by the name Zoe. Okay, so this is a unit I received from CurlsCurls. I'm gonna leave all their hair details in the description box down below. So first of all, I'm just gonna go ahead and start personalizing my unit, and you wanna make sure that you go ahead and trim off the excess lace that it comes with, making sure that you do some adjustments as you go. So this unit comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps. It also comes pre-plugged and baby hairs in place. Okay, the knots are lightly bleached, so that's one good thing, that you don't really have to do much to this hair, you guys. I think this is a good quality unit, and it is actually affordable. It starts at $240, so I think it is quite affordable, like seriously, considering the hair is 100% human hair. If you're watching this video and haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, please do click the subscribe button. Also make sure that you turn on your notification button so that you know when I upload videos. This unit has round curls at the ends, like the curl definition is absolutely gorgeous. So the curls start from the roots to the ends. Like seriously, how amazing is that? Like we all need that good definition kind of unit. So I'm just using water in this spray bottle just to define the curls a little bit more. That's if you like the wet kind of look like I do, but you don't really have to, because it looks absolutely amazing. The curls looks absolutely amazing and healthy and well defined, just straight from the box. Okay. So this is the finished look, you guys. Like, I absolutely love Zoe. Like, seriously guys, tell me what you think about Zoe. This is a very good unit. Like, it is absolutely amazing. The quality is amazing, the texture is gorgeous, and it is absolutely flawless. I just love the way it feels. Like, seriously, it is very easy to detangle. The shading was also minimal, and you can actually rock this unit like in several different styles. Like, this is very versatile. Like, guys, this unit is just gorgeous. Like, look at those curls popping. Okay, this is a very good unit, you guys. Let me know what you think about this unit in the comment section down below. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.